I'm going to show you how to make this boring board. This is a push pin and dry wet eraser board. Look interesting by using some rub-on types of stickers. First you have to decide what you want. And I've decided that I'd like to put a little bit of ivy on this board to give it just a little bit of something of interest. And we've talked about different types of stickers and appliques, and I'm using a rub-on. It comes with a stick, popsicle stick, and you actually just rub it on to the item that you're trying to color. Make sure you rub it on every single piece of the colored side. It doesn't really give an indication if you have or haven't, but just make sure that you cover the whole thing with some rubbing so it will transfer this to your board. All right, so you can see that we've taken just this design. This is the one I want to have right there. This is where I want it. And I'm just rubbing until this has completely had pressure on it so that it will transfer this pattern onto my board. Now I'm going to pull it up a little bit just to see, to make sure. I've shoved it up inside of there, which was not a very good thing to do. Now I've got it. Oops. Don't do that. There. All right. I'm stuck. I'm going to pull this up here and show you what I ended up getting. And this is actually stuck on here. This is part of my board now. In the next segment, what I'll do is show you a little bit more about putting on stickers and appliques to make something boring look more interesting.